Gwan, taro and tea. Tea sippers, gwan, taro and tea. Tea sippers, gwan, taro and tea. Welcome, 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 tea sippers. Yeah. Wagwan people, wagwan tea sippers. How you all doing? I hope you're feeling good. You're looking good. All right, sis. All right, bro. Yes, wagwan collective. I hope you are all doing well. So we're going to get into this jam-packed reading. It's all about the Line Portal. The Line Portal happened this month. And we want to kind of look into the messages. What messages does from the Line Portal that can help us with our manifestations? So, if we want to work on that dream life, manifesting that job, that career, love life, what messages are there for us as a collective? So we're going to get into it. So we've got pile 1, we've got pile 2, and we've got pile 3. So take some time to just think about which number is resonating with you. If it's 1, 2, or 3, or if it's 3, 2, 1. Yeah, just taking that time and just thinking what number is coming to your mind, okay? Just taking a little time for the collective, okay? And while you're taking that time to just have a little think, or if the number just comes up, or a number just resonates, I'm just gonna do a quick little thank you, because I love, for the collective, it's all about showing gratitude, yeah? Thank you for the messages, and may the messages resonate with the collective. May the messages support the collective with guidance to help them on this Line Portal to manifest their dreams, their desires, their passion, and give thanks to our ancestors, to our guardian angels. And thank you for the messages that we are about to receive. All right then. Now that we've done that, I hope you've got a little something, you know what I mean? Some tea, some water to keep you hydrated on this jam-packed reading, because we're going to get into it, collective. Wagwan. Yeah, this is the Wagwan Tarot and Tea Collective. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, I hope you've chosen your number. Okay, and if maybe you haven't chosen a number and you just feel like you just want to read them all, just read them all, because all of the messages will be useful, and can use it to for your own kind of like to support your own intuition and your own guidance. But remember, how we stay here. If the messages resonate, take them, use them. Yeah, and if they don't, you can just left them, leave it. You don't need to take them. That's what we do as a collective round here. All right. So let's stop the chat, and we're about to get into it, okay? We're going to get into it, collective. Yes, collective, because that is what we do around here. We're going to get into it. So we will see you on the other side. Okay, bye for now. So Wagwan, pile 1. So the collective that chose pile 1, let's look at the messages, that are there for us as part of the Line Portal to help us to understand, how we can manifest our dream life, and any passions or any desires that we have, that we wish to see manifest in our life. So let's have a look into the reading. Let's get into it. Be sure to like, subscribe, all of them kind of things, but we're going to get into the reading. All right, collective, and make sure you have a nice little drink as well. Yes, whether it's some tea or anything like that. Let's get into it. All right. Let's have a look. All right, so we got the Five of Cups. Okay, so we got the Five of Cups. We've got the Six of Swords. We've got the Seven of Cups. We've got the Hermit. We've got the Empress. We've got the Death card. Okay. We've got the Emperor. Right. So, and we've also got this Oracle card here that says, I'm becoming consciously aware of my inner being. So let's start here. So from the Five of Cups, it tells me that there may have been like some feelings of like feelings of loss, feelings of pain, feeling where it could have been, you may have had to, let's say if was in a love life, or just an area in your life where you just felt like you're not, it's not going anywhere, it's not blossoming. And you see how like in the picture here there's a lot of water and emotion, so there's like a lot of emotion in this, and you may have felt unfulfilled, where you've put so much time and energy into making something work for you, and it just never really manifested itself. But you see the Two Cups here, it's saying have no fear, do not worry, because even though when it looks like things aren't going your way, all right, sis or bro, you know, divine, there's that divine light that, not, don't worry, you know. And I even like the way how they have the kind of plant decoration on the wallpaper, because it's like things are good, things are, you know, sometimes where they say, it's like a saying like tomorrow for me and tomorrow for you. Yeah, so tomorrow for me, and no, sorry, got that off. Say it the wrong way. So it's tomorrow, well, no, today for me and tomorrow for you, or vice versa. Yeah, sometimes it might feel like you're putting so much time and energy and it's just not working, and you're thinking, why, what is going on here? You know, whether it could be you're just trying to put time in a project, maybe time in investing time in a relationship, time in a career or an idea that you have, and it's led to that feeling where you've now had felt like you was the Six of Swords. You had to walk away from the situation because you're like, nah, this is not working, and I can't stay here. I have to go and take my little swords, yeah, take my swords and go leave and move somewhere. You see how they have the flower there on her tattoo, the tattoo on her leg. That's like a sign, like, you know what, she wants to, in this the figure here wants to move on, wants to prosper, wants to blossom, because she is recognizing that, you know, maybe the ideas or the plans that you had, it wasn't working in your favor, it wasn't working, it wasn't prospering. It's like you're doing something but you're not seeing no progress from what you're doing, and it's like, I need to really focus my time, focus my energy, because why is it that, you know, you might even think like, I'm good at manifesting, I'm good at channeling my energy, I'm good at really keeping myself in a high vibrational state. But what is going on? What is maybe blocking me? What is stopping me? I need to move on, because now I can see that, you know, if I stay here, I'm only going to be focusing on the 3 cups that spilled. You see the 3 cups that spilled? Yeah, all that tea. Look at all that tea, sis or bro. Sis and bro. Look at all that tea on the floor. No, you know, it's all that misery, all that sadness. Like looking at, oh my gosh, I put all this time and effort into this, and look at what happened. Look at what happened. No, this can't happen. So I have to walk away. I have to take myself, and I'm gonna climb up them mountains. Has anyone watched The Sound of Music? This reminds me of The Sound of Music, when they built all this time, you know, and love to get love, and they had to leave where they were, because it was no longer safe. It was no longer the place of like prosperity and growth for them. So as a family, they had to go up the hills and leave. Yeah, they had to leave because everything that was going on there wasn't working for them. Yeah, as well as we know, there was a lot of, it was also the World War II issues and things like that. But you know, let's, okay, we're focusing back on the story that, it's time to walk away and move on. And in essence of wanting to walk away and move on is created that seven of cups feeling, because you're now wanting to really tune in to your values, what drives you, what's important for you, what makes you want to keep going, what makes you want to like focus your energy on your strengths. And you might also be like assessing your weaknesses, whether you need to go and learn something, or find a mentor to help you with your skills and your training, and to kind of like developing your skill set in an area. And also with this, it could be like really channeling your manifesting. Like, is it that you're maybe, sometimes you can feel like, oh yeah, I was so good at this, why is it not coming, it's not working for me? But it's like, maybe it's just asking, like, the in regards to the Lion portal, it's asking us as a collective to really channel what it is that we want, because there may be some kind of not like a clarity in what we want. And it could be, again, like, we want something, but our energy is a bit scatty. So it's like asking us to really focus, because look, you see the Hermit card is here. The Hermit card is here. The Hermit card is telling us, it's like, take that time to focus on our energy, focus on what is important to us. That time, this time is a good time to really focus, because you know what, we want to manifest for the next 6 months, for the next year and beyond. So we need to take that time to tune in and really focus on what it is that we want, so we can bring good into our life, and also the feeling of feeling good. When you're in your house, I was gonna say yard. When you're in your yard, yeah, it's another Jamaican term. But when you're when you're in your yard, yeah, when you're in your house, when you're in your home, okay, take that time. Just I was gonna say, yeah. I'm just, you know what? Like I said, collective, we're all about learning Patois as well. Okay, so I'm gonna say, just lock off the lights, lock off the TV, yeah. So I'm just saying, just turn everything off, yeah. Turn everything off, lock off the lights, lock off the TV, lock off the internet, lock everything off, so you can get that time to really, really tune into yourself, really tune, so your intuition, even eating well, eating greens, eating fruit, eating foods that make you feel good, but also helps you to tune into thyself. The Hermit, this is what it's asking us to do, so you can really focus on what is it you want. Yeah, we want to really focus and have a clear vision of what it is that we want. If it's wanting to focus on our love life, what is it that we need to do? Do we need to go on dates? Do we need to, before we go on dates, do we check on our intentions? What is it that you want to seek when you're there looking? Because you don't want to just go out and, there's another Jamaican saying, you just buy any puss in a bag. No, we're not. It's not about that. It's about having a clear vision of what it is that you want. So making sure it's like, if I'm going right, I need to work on myself. Really focus on me looking good, feeling good. So I want to look good, but I feel good in myself first. I feel secure in myself. I feel confident in myself, and then that I can manifest that energy outside to the outside world. So then I'm, bringing like men or women into my life, that have the same qualities, the same desires, the same ambition, the same desires as me, because that is where we want to focus. And it's all about that Lion portal energy. It's a great time for manifesting. It's a great time for really tuning in and focusing on what you want, taking that time to be creative and really challenge that energy of what it is you want, so it can come into your life, it can come into your existence. Because collective, we are all about the growth and self-development around here. All right, can you feel it? I want to give you a high five right now because I'm feeling this energy, and it is time for us to really focus and really take that time. You know, it's warm right now. Go out and enjoy life. Going out and enjoy that time. You know, go out and get some sunshine, or sit somewhere where there's some greenery and really really challenge, even like journal. You get your book out and write down what it is, you know, you want, and feel good about it. You know, write it down as if you have it already, you know. So if it is love that you're seeking, let's say you write down like an example like, I am so thankful I have met my soulmate. I am so thankful I've met my life partner who is everything I want and need. Yeah. I'm so thankful that I have met this person that, let's say, yeah, met my life partner, and they are everything I want and need and more. And they are so thoughtful, they are so kind. Write down all the qualities, you know, the values. Don't even focus on too much on the like, let's say, the specifics of how they look, but focus more on the qualities, the values in that person, how they treat you, you know, how they are secure in their self, confident in their self, so we can manifest that that good energy, because that's what we're about. We're about manifesting. All right, so it's a good time to do that, because look what else is saying. When you focus upon that energy, you see the Empress air, you see that Empress here. And I also, when I do this, well, this tarot, it's the Good Karma tarot, I think, Good Karma tarot. But I always thought it's an interest that they use the black woman, because, you know, as black woman, it's like, as a scientific fact anyway, that it's like the first man, first sort of first woman of birth of man, humankind, yeah, was a black woman. That links back to all of humankind. I always thought, when I found that, I was like, wow, that is very interesting. It's very interesting. But anyway, we move on. This tells me, you know, it's a vibrant time. You know, when you tune in your energy and really take that time, you see how you had the hermit time here to really tune in your energy. It's going to bring good vibration, good energy, good irie energy into your life, into your existence. It's going to blossom and blossom and grow, you know, because the Empress is all about fertility, it's all about growth. Pregnancy, idea, a project, anything, you know, the focus that is going to bring greatness to you, is going to bring growth. You know, where how things look like, oh, things was all on the floor, and things just looking dry in your life and no progress. Well, that have no fear, don't worry, because that season, that cycle is gone. Yeah, it's gone. Because look what is here, the death card, the death and the Empress. So the Empress and the death is telling you it's growth, it's transformation time, honey. Yeah, whether you like it or not, it's transformation time. Embrace that change, embrace it, because it's gonna bring goodness into your life, and we're all about manifesting that good vibration energy into our life. So, you know, channel in what it is you want, because it's coming. It is coming like a ton of bricks. Like a ton of bricks. Enjoy it. Enjoy this change. Enjoy this time. Yeah. So whether it's love, whether it's you're wanting to manifest love, you're wanting to manifest new work, a new career opportunities. Maybe that you've seen like a where you can step up from your current job, or, you know, take that time, really focus on what it is. Make sure you have a clear vision. Write it down on a journal. Yeah, feel it. You know, see it, vision it. Because it's coming. It is coming, honey. And why? Make sure you put it up in the comments and tell me Wagwan as well, yeah? Tell the Wagwan Taranti Collective what's happening, yeah? Channeling that energy, because goodness is coming your way. And look, you see the Emperor air? The emperor air. The emperor is here. Look at how the emperor is standing up in the picture. Look at the position. It's the confidence, because then you've recognized that, take yourself out of this energy, because once you take yourself out that Five of Cups energy, like you're feeling like you're losing things, or you're lost things, and things seem to be out of your control, it's gonna bring you this. You're gonna be confident. You're gonna feel good in yourself. You're gonna feel like, yes, I am in control of my life. I am in control of the decisions and the choices that I make. Yeah, I have free will. And I know that I tune into myself, and goodness is gonna come my way. So let me not worry about anything. Even if I don't even know how it's gonna come into my life. I trust the process. I trust the process. And even saying something to yourself like, I am so thankful. The universe is working in the foreground, and is working in the background, so that I can manifest and live my dream life. Just saying something like that, you know, or even tweaking it in your own way, that you're bringing this to you, because this is a lion portal now. It's a good time to manifest. It's all that Leo energy is all about creativity. Is good, is vibrant, it is wonderful time. It is a wonderful time. So channel that energy, because look at you. You're going to stand up in your glory. You're going to stand up and shine. You're going to recognize that you are powerful. You are a wonderful, brilliant manifester, and you can do that. You just set your mind and be clear with your intention, and you will make it happen. So that is the message for pile one. And as we got here, pile one, I am becoming consciously aware of my inner being. Okay? I am becoming consciously aware of my inner being. So you're recognizing your power. You are recognizing your growth. You are recognizing that as long as you set your mind on something and you are clear with what it is you want, you will bring it into your life. You will bring it into your existence. So have no fear. Do not worry, because we don't worry around here. All right, collective, because we're all about growth and development. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. That just means that's how it goes. That is how it goes. I saw it go. I saw it go. That's how it goes. All right. That's how it goes, collective. So the Lion Portal is asking you to just really focus on what it is you want, and it will come to you. It will come to you. Yeah, and it will come. You will be shining. Yeah, you will be standing up in your glory. Yeah, and just feel good in that energy. Feel it. And let that manifest months on, months on, months on. Because goodness is coming. Goodness is coming to your life. All right? So let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Let's pull out a proverb for today. Message. Let's see what message for the collective. What Jamaican proverb? Ooh. All right. Right. So let's pick up this one. So I'm not everything. Sorry, I can't read me all right. I'm not everything. And not every teeth. Sorry, and not every kin teeth I laugh. And not every kin teeth I laugh. And that's it. So when you're seeing someone's like all grinning, it doesn't mean that because they're grinning that they are laughing. That's what the meaning is. It's just sometimes, boy, I had to take me a while to read up my writing. But collective, you know how we are. We are jovial, and we get into it. We enjoy the messages there. Let's see. So sometimes, not things might not always seem funny, but be mindful who we might offend, or who we might, or as well as planning. So it's things that might be planning for you. So I think what I was saying here in regards to this proverb is, with the Five of Cups, you might, again, like, people might think, oh yeah, you might have things together, but you're still not happy with your life or where the milestones that you've achieved, and you're this part of you where you're still feeling like you're not feeling satisfied. Even when people are saying that they seem happy, that they may not be happy. But don't worry about this, okay? Don't worry about this, because if you set your mind and be clear what it is, yeah, so that you are focused, you're channeling your energy, you're channeling your strengths, but you're also recognizing your weaknesses, but you focus clearly on what it is you want to manifest. And let's say if it's a for love, you take your time, you recognize, like, do the healing, put in that work in yourself first, because you want to be essentially a Nine of Cups, a Nine of Pentacles. You want to be secure in yourself before going out to seek love, okay? Because energy attracts energy. So you want to have that good, this is why even to the collective, I hope you're feeling this energy I'm giving, because we want to feel good, good. You know what? That's what in Jamaican Patois, when something is sweet, when something is sweet sauce and something is good, we have to repeat it twice. Good energy, good energy, good vibration, good. Because we are good. Yeah? We are good body. We are good. So we are looking after ourselves because we are wanting to feel that good energy. And so we know we need to take a little bit of time to look after ourselves, where it's going, eating healthy, having some good food, taking some time to really focus on ourselves, going on vacation, whatever it is that we need to work on ourselves, we're making sure we're taking that time and energy, because we are important. We are important. So we need to feel that good energy. But to feel that good energy, we have to be making sure we're looking after ourselves. So that way, things can blossom. Things can blossom. Things can blossom for us all. So, collective, that is the message. And I hope that this message really resonated for you all, so that you can really focus on manifesting greatness into your life. Yeah, taking that time to really be clear with what it is that you want. So if you've got a set goal in mind, take that time to focus your energy. Even if it's like let's say you've got 3 goals that you wish to achieve, and put a little bit of work on each one, and be consistent with it, and just trust the process. Even if you don't know how you're going to get there, you just showing gratitude, being thankful for what you have, and taking those steps to really work on achieving what you want, because it will come to you abundantly, and you will recognize that you are a great manifester. So let's make it happen as a collective. Put it in the comments. Tell us what you manifested, what for yourself, yeah, and how you've taken the steps to achieve it. But it's going to happen. So let's make it happen. All right, collective. I hope you enjoyed that reading. And again, take the messages that resonate. And if the messages didn't resonate, leave them. I saw it go around here. All right. Be sure to like and subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you're always up to date on the next message. And wagwan. Wagwan, people. Wagwan, tea sippers. Right, so we're going to look into pile 2. So let's see wagwan in pile 2. Let's see what messages from regarding the line portal that the collective need to hear. Let's have a look. Let's get into it. Make sure you've got something to keep you nice and hydrated, some tea or water, because we're about to get in. All right, let's have a look. Let's see wagwan. All right, so we got the 5 of coins. We've got judgment. Yeah, look at this. We've got the magician. We've got the 10 of coins. Whoa. So the 10 of pentacles. Yeah, also known as the 10 of pentacles. We've got the 3 of cups. We've got the 3 of coins. So the 3 of pentacles here. Okay. And we've got the Ace of Wands. So, for those who chose pile 2, it seems like with the 5 of coins here, so the 5 of pentacles, there has been like a maybe a feeling of uncertainty, or there's been some instability going on in your current situation, or you have felt left out. You have felt essentially you've kind of felt you've kind of felt cold, or felt like you've been treated harshly, or like left out in the cold, and maybe feeling like you're wanting to move in a direction, but there has been like with the Judgment card here, some kind of perhaps something going on that has kind of hindered your stability, or you're having to make choices or make decisions, and there may be like you have struggled with trying to make a clear decision on what you needed to do, and this has probably left you in the past, or currently feeling like you're uncertain. I'm kind of sensing like an anxious feeling of not sure, or just lacking clarity. But that lacking clarity has also impacted or manifested in your stability, probably in terms of your finances, and feeling secure and safe in yourself. Okay, so with this Judgment card, it's like taking the time now to really tune in to what is important, what you value as important, what do you need to focus on now. Because with the Magician card here, so if we put the Magician, let's put these cards down. If we put the Magician card, so we've got the Magician card is asking you now to remember that you are amazing, that you are great, that yes, you might be feeling like this, but that feeling's gonna pass. That feeling will pass. It's not, you know, sometimes when we get sad feelings, or we get feelings of uncertainty, we may be feeling like, in terms of our direction or the goals that we wish to aspire to, may have not gone the way how we wanted it. But don't worry, because remember, you are a great manifester. Look at the lady here with the pens and the pencils. You're great. You can do this. You know, just go back to the drawing board and just look and go, okay, reassess, take this time now. Like the Lion Portal is telling us, like, take this time now to really reassess your values, really reassess what's important to you, really reassess what it is that you want and need. Because sometimes when you want what you want, doesn't necessarily mean it is what you need. So really focusing on what is important to you, so you can bring in more, but also showing that gratitude, you know, bringing that feeling of, you know, because we want to get back into that, like tuning our vibration, tuning our energy into that manifesting energy, that magic, you know, the magician energy. I was about to say the magician. But the magician energy, yeah, it's about channeling that energy, because you are great at manifesting. You just need to believe in yourself, and it's asking you now to believe in yourself. Take that time to really channel your energy, because you can make it happen, you know, just with believing in yourself. Because look, the 10 of Pentacles is here. So whether that is you wanting to, you know, focus on growth, building a family, you know, having success, building generational wealth, it is here. It is here for you, honey. It is here for you, sis. It is here for you, bro. Yeah, so take that time. Don't worry about this feeling that you've been feeling for a while, because it shall pass. It shall pass. You hear me? It is passing. So take that time to really manifest. Take that time to really focus on what it is you want. Journal, put it in a journal. Speak it out in existence. Put it out there. Take some time to work on those goals. So let's say if it is that you want to build generational wealth, focus on looking at how you can set yourself with a stable job, because you've been feeling like maybe uncertain. So maybe focusing on building a stability like having a regular income. And then once you've got that regular income coming in from work, looking at how maybe some evenings you could decide to say, right, I might want to set up a YouTube channel. I might want to set up a blog. I might want to learn trading so I can build that generational wealth. I might want to set up a business and start selling my own designs or selling my own products, because it will happen. Building that financial wealth, that generational wealth for yourself and for your family, or for loved ones, so that it can continue, and not having for them to worry, or always being in a stable position. Yeah, so we're the Five of Pentacles, Five of Coins, feeling like you're in a unstable, feeling like you're uncertain about things. This is by you focusing on your goals, focusing on your ambitions, and having a clear vision on what it is you want. You will bring your 10 of Coins, you will bring your 10 of Pentacles, but that will bring joy, that will bring excitement. It will bring you working together and building close relationships. So not only do I see finance, I also see a lot of love here. So if there's those of you in the collective that want to focus on your love, this is a good time. Yeah, it's a good time. It's a good. Yeah, good. In Jamaican culture, when something is sweet, when something sweets you, we repeat it twice, or for emphasis, we repeat it twice. So it's a good. We're focusing on that good. You feel me? That is what we're focusing on. So with the Three of Cups, it's time to enjoy. It's time to celebrate. Look at that with the 10 of Coins. It's celebration. Yeah. So make it happen. Make it happen. If you've been sitting on a project for a while and feeling like, I'm not sure, it's like the judgment is like, yeah, if you believe you can't do it, guess what? You can't do it. But if you change your mindset and say, you know what, I can do it, or if I'm not sure how to do it, I will figure it out. I'm not sure how to go about it, but you know what? I'm going to figure it out. And by you changing your mindset, by you changing your attitude to how you look at things, it will help you in the long run. It will help you to achieve great things. It will help you to start opening your mind to the possibilities, to seeing the better you, seeing the higher vibrational you, seeing that person with that mindset of the can-do attitude. And you need to keep on staying in that energy as much as you can, whether it's reading personal development books, listening to personal development tapes, creating your own affirmations, recognizing when you do negative talk, so you can delete it. And you can even just say to yourself, right, as soon as you got like a negative thought or a negative energy where you kind of talk down on yourself, like, oh, I can't do it, just delete 3 times. Delete. Because we're about to lock off that energy. We ain't about that life. It's time. Bye. See ya. It's time to go. That is what we're saying to that energy. Because we want to bring in that energy with the magician. And it's about bringing that good. You hear me? That good energy into our lives. And you can do that because the cards are saying greatness is coming, but you've got to make sure you believe in it, okay? And that's where the judgment is. It's if you believe you can't, then guess what, my friend? Guess what, people? Guess what, tea sippers? Then you can't. But if you believe you can, and you take that attitude, and you believe, things can happen. Things can run. Yeah, because we run things no run we. Okay, so that just simply means we are in control. Don't, yeah, not other, don't make things or your thoughts like take over and control. You are the driver in the driver's seat. So let's, with the being the magician. So if you believe, you can achieve. Yeah, and just you do really have to really keep yourself focused and channel that energy into your everyday life, whether it's like getting up in the morning and saying to writing down like an affirmation or saying it to yourself out loud and practicing that routine, so it becomes a normality to you. It won't feel like oh, you're just saying a few words here and there. You're just like, no, you're actually taking the time to really practice and tune in, so that you then become more alert, more aware of your magical energy, of your ability to manifest, your ability to focus and see that you are a great manifester. Your thoughts have carry power, your feeling carry power, and you will recognize that the more you attune into yourself, the more you recognize that you are amazing. All right, period. Yeah, period. Because look, you know, the three of coins is here as well, and the ace of wands. So this will tell you, this will make you recognize that you are amazing. You know, that opportunities will come your way. Great things will come your way. The opportunity to collaborate and work with other people, you know, whether it's on a project, whether it's on a business idea that you may have, it's a great time for you to be creative, that you can, your thoughts, your ideas can lead to the ability to be creative, and that creativity will open doors to abundance, to prosperity, to finance, because you've got a lot of coins in this reading. So that it tells me that there was a lot of like apprehension with the five of coins here, the five of pentacles here, about how you feel in terms of your stability, wanting to have like financial success. So it's here for you. You just got to remember you are a great manifester, and it will happen. It will happen, you know. And the ace of wands is like blessings upon blessings upon blessings. Blessings are coming your way, baby. Blessings are coming your way. Yeah, but just believe. Believe, you know. You know, as the Wagwan Tarian T collective, just believe and you can achieve. We're all in this together, you know. Keep listening, keep watching, and we're going to grow together, you know. That's what we're all about as a collective. We're about self-development and growth. So we're going to grow, but recognize that, you know, tune into your thinking, listening to your talk, how you talk about yourself, listening to certain things, how you say, like even when you sometimes maybe something's not going your way, you go, oh, why me? Delete, delete, delete. Because we ain't got time for that. We ain't got time for that, because he's been putting us in this position time and time and time again. And it's time to lock off. It's like, bye. Bye-bye. We're done with that. We're done with that kind of why me. Delete, delete, delete. Now it's about, you know what? I'm so thankful that I am a great manifestor. I'm so thankful that I've recognized that now I can put my mind together. I can work on things, you know, collaborate with people, and it would lead to a great success, you know. And even if it's a case of working with other people, so like I see this as well, like it's working with the collective. We as a collective, we're working together. We are celebrating. We are drinking tea. Hey, and we're building. It's all about growth and self-development. That's what we're all about here, you know. So we keep on going, keep on believing, keep on taking that time to write in your journal, to talk to yourself in a positive way, to really focus on the goals that you want and just work on them. Take steps to work on it and make it happen, because it will happen for you. It will happen. Believe and it will happen. Yeah? Just believe in it and it will happen, because great things are coming ahead. And if you take the time to really recognize the importance of the power of your thoughts and your feeling, then you will come out of that energy, and you will come into your magician energy. You will come into your magician power. You will recognize that you have the ability to change your life. Yeah, change your life. And bring it towards the direction that you want it to be. Yeah, by just focusing your energy and being clear and being concise with what you actually want. Yeah, because like I said, sometimes what we want is not actually what we need. So it's understanding what you need, whether it's just love, unconditional love, you wanting to build generational wealth, you wanting to build stability, you want to have security. It's recognizing how you can build those things in your life, in your day-to-day life, in your current existence. So your 10 of Pentacles is on your way. So it is here, recognizing the importance of it. So let's see. With this card, we've got the Oracle card here says, there is evolutionary value in my personal preferences. So there is evolutionary value in my personal preferences. So it says, do not underestimate the value of your preferences, for the evolution of your planet depends upon those of you on the leading edge of thought, continuing to fine-tune your desires. And the contrast or variety provides the perfect environment for the formation of your personal preferences. So this is the deck from the Ask and You're Given. I think it's from the Terry Hicks, I think, deck. But essentially, it is saying what we've just been discussing, collective, that it's all about really tuning in to what it is you want. Because like we mentioned earlier, what you want is not necessarily what you need. Yeah. So it's recognizing what it is that you really want, really tuning into the energy, so that you can bring in this, you can bring in all of this joy, happiness, love, working together, strong friendships, connecting with people, like-minded people, working together, building projects, building successful incomes, like multiple incomes, residual incomes, growth in yourself, recognizing that you are a powerful and amazing manifester, and the Lion Portal is a great time for you now to really tune in to what it is that you really want, so that you can bring that in, whether for the next 6 months, for the next year, or for beyond. You're manifesting that good energy into your life. Okay. All right. So I'm just gonna pull out a proverb. See if there's any proverb that connects with pile 2. We have a proverb, please, for pile 2. So how water I walk go in pumpkin belly. So in translation, how does water walk go into pumpkin belly? So how is there water in the belly of the pumpkin? So the flesh of, like, the inner flesh in the pumpkin, basically. So mystery, can't explain, high priestess. So I would say, in regards to this proverb, it's kind of like saying, again, sometimes there's things that you can't always see. It's the uncertainty, or that feeling of uncertainty, or that mystery. But recognizing that sometimes when we want something and we just focus on what we truly want, sometimes we don't know, when we put it out there to the universe, when we put it out and we say, oh, this is what I want, universe, this is what I'm so like, sometimes it's like you might not know exactly what it is you are, when it's going to come to you, but just believe. So I've also put down the high priestess. It's like sometimes it's like you don't know Or it might be something in secrecy, or for instance, you wanting to manifest something but not really sure how to go about it, that you've kind of you're kind of putting doubt to it, but by putting doubt to it, you're stopping yourself, you're blocking yourself. So it's like now is the time to really, if you're having thoughts of like let's say thoughts of, you're saying that you want something, but your thoughts are kind of hindering you, it's now is the time to really channel that energy so that you can bring in that magician energy and really say, you know what, no, I'm no longer going to be mysterious or secretive about what I truly want and how I want to feel. I'm bringing that in now. I am manifesting great things. I'm writing in my journal. I'm feeling good. I'm assuming, I'm sitting back and I'm visualizing it, and I'm assuming like I already have what I have, what I want now, and it feels so good. It feels good. It feels sweet. It feels amazing, and this is the feeling, the energy, the vibration that I want to bring into my existence now. Yeah, be confident, because that confidence will bring in what you truly want. Yeah, no kind of like questioning yourself, no kind of like um um being uncertain, like, oh, it's if, no, babe, maybe, if I believe I can't, or if then I can't, if I believe that I can, then I can. It's like, yes, being confident with believing in I can do it. Yeah, and even if you can't, even if you're unsure, just start making the steps. So if it's, again, if it's you wanting to start a business, look into the steps. Look if there's like a training course that you can sign up to, mentors that you resonate with, that can support you and help you to where you want to be. If it's a love, perhaps also maybe looking into working on some healing, some self-love, some coaching around dating to help you to kind of get where you want to be. Being clear what it is that you're looking in a soulmate, so you can manifest the soulmate that is right for you. Yeah, all of these things are important. So really taking that time to tune into their energy, because this is the overall energy, is about you are amazing manifester, and just believe, believe, and you can achieve great things. All right. All right. So to pile two, to the collective who chose pile two, I hope the messages resonated. Okay, and you can use them for your own guidance and support you with your own intuition. All right. And be sure to like and subscribe. Click on the notification bell as well, so you can keep up to date with all the videos and stuff like that that's coming up. And see you on the next one. And I hope the messages, you can use them, to help you with what it is you want to manifest during the line portal. All right. All right then. Take care. Stay blessed, and wagwan. Bye for now. Wagwan people, wagwan tea sippers. How you all doing? Right, we're going to get into it. We're going to get into pile 3. So, for the collective who picked pile 3, let's see what the messages are telling us. In regards to the line portal, what is it that what messages do we need to hear right now? So let's get into it. I hope you've got a little some tea or some water to keep you hydrated, because we're gonna get into it. All right, let's see. Wagwan. Okay, so we've got an oracle card. Let's start with the tarot. We've got the 9 of Swords. So we've got the 9 of Swords. We've got the Lovers. We've got the Knight of Cups. Okay. We've got the 10 of Wands. And we've got the 4 of Coins. So the 4 of Pentacles. We've got the 6 of Wands. Okay, and we've got the 9 of coins. Right, so if looking at this now, it looks like there's been a lot of kind of anxieties, a lot of issues going on about, staying up at night or even struggling in the day, like having like multiple thoughts just going through your head. And it could probably particularly be about the same type of thoughts, because I'm seeing here with the lovers here, there may have been some issues with maybe in your current love life, or there could be something going on where you're struggling to really find passion in what you're currently doing, and that could be for work. It could be as where you want to go, or what steps you want to take in life, and really have been struggling about it. But there is also, like now with the Knight of Cups, like you wanting to kind of take heed and really want to kind of tune in to what you find, like where you how you. I'm a little bit tongue tied here now. Right, so it's kind of like telling me where you want to go in life, where you want to move forward, where you want to kind of find what excites you, what you feel passionate, where you feel there is love. You want to kind of really go for what you love, what you enjoy doing. Because even with the 10 of Wands here, it's like you might recognize that that might take some time, that you might have to put some work into it, or you might be feeling like you might be questioning how you might go about doing something, if it's going to be like be a burden to you, or it's going to I'm kind of sensing that it might be something that you've kind of not feeling always confident, or you're feeling like very kind of not wanting to share. Like I'm also kind of getting the feeling of not wanting to share, or not really, or trying to keep your ideas or keep your thoughts to yourself. But now is the time to really let go of that. Let go of that, and maybe also, if there is something that you want to do, you can get help from other people. What the 6 of Wands is here. It's like, whatever it is that you want to do, take that time. Because with the 6 of Wands here, I'm seeing as also like it's an opportunity for you to collaborate, to work with people. It could be also like working with the collective, like we're supporting one another in this. Don't feel like you're all alone. We're here because this is where we ultimately, all of us want to be here. We all want to be the 9 of Pentacles, whether we are it doesn't matter what gender we are. We all want to be complete in ourselves. We're secure in ourselves, financially stable. We've got that bag. You understand? We got that bag. And what I mean by we got that bag, we're all about building wealth, building stability in our lives. See the home there. Look at the house. Look at the home. Look at the little bling bling going on. You see all the greenery there. That's all about the prosperity, the abundance, and all the coins, the pentacle is all about the prosperity there. Yeah, so that's what we're building. That's what we want to build. You see all the light, all the rays. We're building that. Yeah, we're building that yellow brick road for ourselves. Okay, and that's what we're doing. And that we are doing. That is what we're doing. Translation. All right, that is what we're doing. So, bun. Let's bun. Yeah. So when I mean bun, we're putting a stop. Yeah, we are putting a stop to this kind of feeling. Yeah. No more sleepless nights. No more stressing out and thinking how we're gonna do it. Because when we're in that energy, we're bringing more of that to our lives. We're bringing more, and that's keeping us away from this. And this is where we need to be. This is where we want to be. So we have to no more. We have to say no more. We have to delete. We have to stop focusing on what is bringing us this energy that is resulting to us feeling like we are the 9 of Swords. We're stressing out. We're always stressed out, and you can see it. People recognizing that maybe you don't seem to be yourself. You don't look yourself. You seem to be always kind of like distant, always maybe your mind's got elsewhere, stressing about something. And like I said, this could be, again, feeling like the direction where you want to be is you're not always feeling complete, not always feeling happy. And it's asking us now to take that time to really recognize that we can tune in to what it is that we truly want, to put that time to really love, put some love in what we do. See, with the 10 of Wands, like, put that love in what we do. Not always, don't worry about how, yeah, you might sometimes feel that you're working and you're not really always seeing your growth. But look at the 10 of Wands. The 10 of Wands always has those little, you can see the little leaves growing, because there's growth. There is growth. Sometimes you might not always see the growth, and you might not, and that might kind of put you in that result that, yeah, you're making coins, but you're still feeling like you're not seeing it. So you're kind of like holding yourself, and by holding yourself, and it's creating a kind of like a resistance energy. So you feel like a sense there's a burden, but there's that kind of resistance that's holding you back, and it's time to let that go. It's letting go, because by you holding on so tight, you're stopping the energy. You're stopping that energy coming to you. And for the Lion portal, we want to be manifesting the 9 of coins. So for us to manifest this 9 of coins is really taking that time to, come out of our comfort zone. Like, I see this is the 4 of coins in this situation is coming out of our comfort zone. We have to come out of our comfort zone. We have to come out of, with the 10 of Wands here, like, yeah, excuse me. All right, excuse me. We have to come out of this feeling that, like, even though we're you might feel like, oh, I've got this, yeah, it might not be what exactly you want, but it's all I know. I'm gonna stick to it. I'm gonna stick to it. I'm gonna I'm gonna stick to it. But it's not necessarily it's not what you want, and it's not what you want. That's why it's keeping you feeling stressed. Or so if it's for example, if it's a job and it's kind of like lackluster, where you're not feeling the energy and not feeling the vibration enough to make you feel sweet and make you feel good. Yeah, good is about how we emphasize that in Jamaican culture, like, where we emphasize words. So, like, if something's really good, you say good, yeah, or yeah. So in this situation, it's not giving you that good. It's keeping you up. It's making you feel stressed out, and you're starting to see it in your body as well. You're looking at yourself in your mirror and you're thinking, oh my God, gwan. Like, it's time to really let go. Yes, I know it might have been your comfort zone for a while, honey, but it's time to let go, because you can be getting, you see how you got your bag? You got your bag of money, but you can be getting more bag of money if you let go and be willing to try new things. Yeah, because this is what it's asking us to do. It's asking us to try new things. Don't be afraid. Yes, you've had a lot on your plate, but you know what? If you try something new, you're gonna see that success. You're gonna have that victory moment. You're gonna be able to enjoy that and enjoy that with others, even if that might mean you releasing all this so you can have more time to spend with friends and family, to have more time where you can enjoy, you're in your spare time, perhaps even learning something new that can bring you fame. It can give you opportunities. It can give you doors to maybe, like, work with others, collaborate with others, and just really give you that victory moment. So the Lion Portal is asking us to let go of stuff that is hindering us. Let go of things that we're stressing on, because maybe the things that we've been stressing on, because that's all we've known for such a long time, that it's almost we've become attached to it and not wanting to let go. It's been hindering us. But if we let go, as what the cards are telling us the story, if we let go of this, it's going to bring us here, and that is where we all want to be. As a collective, we're all about self development. We're all about growth. Yeah, we're all about love and light, and it's coming to us. So the Lion Portal is asking us to really tune in to what it is that we want. Really tune in what it is that we need, so we can bring this Nine of Pentacles, this Nine of Coins to us. Secure the bag. Really focus on our abundance. What does abundance looks like to us? Because abundance and a prosperity can look like different things to different people. So what does abundance looks like to you? Even write it down. What abundance looks like to you? What does prosperity look like to you? How would you feel? Once you have the everything you want and need in life. Well, how does it make you feel? Do you feel good? Does it sweet you? Yeah, do you feel airy? Yeah, how do you feel? Does it make you feel like, yes, I can do anything I want and need. I can get up what time I want. I can go to the fanciest restaurants. I don't have to worry about my money. Yeah, like really tune in. What does being fully secure in yourself looks like, so you can really manifest and bring that Nine of Pentacles into your life, into your day-to-day life and beyond. Yeah, because it's time for you to get your victory. It's time for you to get that. So in order to get that, it's really tuning in, letting go of this energy, because this energy no longer serves you. It no longer has no purpose. There's no more. We gotta stop that. We gotta delete this type of energy that has been making you suffer and making you stressed out, making you worry about things. Your mind is just racing, and it's time to let go. Letting go. If it's not working for you, find that passion, that would ignite that passion, that love to explore, to go and seek what drives you, what really moves you. So you can make it happen. Whether, yes, it might mean you might have to put some work into it, but it's also making it so you can come out of your comfort zone. It's because it's time to come out of your comfort zone so you can try something new. You might feel a bit hesitant about it, because if you see this figure here, it looks like very hesitant. Hair's like, I might have to put some coins into this to learn something new. But don't worry, because it's going to bring you your victory. It's going to bring you that time where it's like you can look on your achievements and go, wow, I made this. I did that. So what I'm simply saying is, like, you looking back in yourself, looking back, you could be looking at a picture, or looking at a picture like this where you're receiving a reward, and you recognizing, wow, I actually did this. I actually put all that time and effort to make this happen, even when there was times where I didn't know how I was going to do it, how I was going to make it. But I took that time to believe in myself and really recognize that, with time, some money, some patience, this is what happened. And I'm so thankful that I took the time to really say to myself, you know what, I'm no longer going to be fretting or worrying or stressing out on things that no longer serve me, that have no purpose for me. And yes, I may have fallen out of love, or I may feel like, now I really want to tune in to what I really love, what I really admire, so I can bring that more into my life, into my existence. And now, oh my gosh, I am so thankful I have done that, because now it has brought me security in my life. I've got the bag. I've now got plenty of money, plenty of growth. I don't have to worry. And I now understand how I can build income for myself, security for myself. And I'm thankful, and I'm truly blessed, and I recognize that, and I've taken the time to really come out of my comfort zone. But by coming out of my comfort zone, I can look back and, like, all the 9 pentacles that or the 9 coins, you can see how there was, like, let's say this was coming out of this energy, finding what it is that you love, the second coin, really taking time to explore and look at the avenues of how you can build that growth. Yeah, next one, you might have seen that, or you had to work, and maybe you had to like drop everything that you knew so you can bring in new to you. Okay, the next coin. Then after that you realize, okay, I might have to put some money into this. There might have been some hesitance, but you said, you know what, I really want to come out of this, so I know I need to come out of it. Next coin, next coin. Yeah, then you recognize, oh my gosh, I've done really well. I've got the achievement. I've got growth from this. This is really happening for me, you know. And you've got that security. You've got that bag. Yeah. So it's time to really tune in, sis. Tune in, bro. What it is that you really want and what it is you really need, and really go for it. Let go of anything that's hindering you, anything that's blocking you, so you can really bring in what it is you want. You know, if it's love, you want to manifest love. If you want to manifest like improvements in your career or your job, if you want to build wealth, it will happen for you, sis. It will happen for you, bro. But believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself, and you have to be ready to let go. You have to be ready to try something new. Yeah, because you can't hold on. You can't hold on to old stuff and expect it to look like new. Whoa! That was another. That was one. You can't hold on to old stuff that has been bringing you this. Yeah, bring you this and still expecting the same results. Yeah, so it's not going to bring in the new, because it's old stuff. You know what it is already. It's not going to bring any new. So you have to do something different. You have to come out of your comfort zone so this can come to you. This kind of energy will come into your life. Yes, you have to recognize that if you want something good to come into your life, you have to drop off the old energy, drop off anything that was hindering you. Yeah, drop off any old energy, because you want this to come into your life. Yes, and more of this energy will come into your existence and will come into your life every time. All right, so let's have a look now at this oracle card. So it says, I will never get there, so I will enjoy my journey. Oh, so you cannot ever get it done because you cannot ever cease to be, and you can never halt your awareness. Yet out of your awareness will be born another asking, and each asking always summons another answering. You hear that? Your eternal nature is one of expansion, and expansion is the potential for unspeakable joy. Boy, so this this card is from the arcs, and it'll be given deck from Esther Hicks and Terry Hicks, I think. But essentially it's saying what we've been discussing, and it's all about recognizing that what it is, you know, you have to come out of your comfort zone. You really have to ask yourself and really recognize what it is that you want, so you can bring in the more of it, you know, because we can't stay in the one place, in the one if we know it's not working for us, and still expect to get new results when we're doing old things. It just doesn't work like that. Yeah, it doesn't work like that. And if anything, it makes the universe will only kind of put everything on hold, because it's confused by the energy that you're giving out. So sometimes you might think, oh, well, why is this? Why, like, I really enjoy, but why is it not happening? Because we have to tune in and really focus on what it is we want, and take the steps to really come out of that comfort zone. Yeah. So pile 3, coming out of your comfort zone will do wonders. It will bring new opportunities, new blessings for you. Things where you thought, oh my gosh, you never even recognize or realize, you know. But you have to trust the process, and don't worry. Work with other people. You know, people who are like-minded, people who want to, and we're better than the collective, the Wagwan Tara Anti Collective. Yeah. We are all working together for self-growth, for self-development. So come, Listen to the messages, yeah, and take what resonates. All right. So let's pull out a proverb just before we come to a close. What proverb do we have to resonate with this reading for Power 3, please? Can we have a proverb, please? This one looks like it wants to come out. So it says, be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. So be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. So be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. So hat. So just a little quick thing. When it comes to H's are quite silent in Jamaican culture as well. Like you will say, yeah. So it's kind of like you will say ha. You won't. It's like it's very silent. So it's like, for instance, let's say house. You'll say house. Yeah, just a little thing. But you know what I said? I did say we were all about also learning Patois as well and connecting. And I hope maybe even it inspires you to maybe even go to Jamaica one day and really understand because, yeah, you know what, go on. All right. Okay. So it's watch your money, your transactions, don't be scammed. So what I'm getting from this proverb, thank you for this proverb. I think going back to this reading again, it's like coming out of your comfort zone, trying new things. Because it's like be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. It's like we're in this position where we're not 100% happy with where we are, but we want change. But sometimes you might be like talking yourself out of that change, talking yourself out of doing things, questioning things or questioning like opportunities. Let's say to go onto a course and learn something and thinking, oh, I'm not sure if I've got the energy, I'm not sure if I can do this, oh, what am I going to get out of it, what am I going to do this, when actually it can bring you great wonders, you know. So if it's, let's say you're working in the corporate world and you're just like, now I really now wanna, I enjoyed building wealth or the opportunities that I had, but now I've fallen out of love out of it, like I've fallen out of love, and now I want to kind of really tune into something that gives me passion, that makes me want to get up every morning, yeah, something that makes me want to get up every morning. I want to like really enjoy what I do, but it's gonna mean that I've got to take some time, and then everything that I've learned, I've got to drop it all down. I've got to release everything that I've known before, and also put my time, my money and effort into making this happen. And sometimes that might make me feel like, oh, I don't know, can I trust this? What does this look like if I'm gonna be maybe taking some time out to go and learn? And you're like, might be questioning yourself to the point that it stops you, because then you're so caught up in your comfort zone that you're blocking yourself from challenges, or blocking yourself from the opportunities, making doors open for you, you know. So the doors can't open if you're so closed and you're so fixated. You've got to take that time to really like let yourself be comfortable with change, let yourself be comfortable with coming out of your comfort zone so that greatness can come to you. And this is what the Lion Portal is waiting for. The Lion Portal is waiting for you to really be ready to know what it is that you truly want, what you truly desire, so it can come to you, and it can come to you tenfold. Yeah? But be happy, because it's like you will never get there, so just enjoy the journey. Yeah, so don't focus so much on dwell on how is it going to happen. Just trust the process, that with time, with consistency, with believing in yourself, you know, create a vision board, write it down, think about it, visualize it, seeing yourself in this position of happiness. You're achieving great things. You've been told congratulations, you know, well done. Wow, you like seeing yourself like seeing yourself, visualizing it will make it happen for you. So believe in yourself and it will come to you. Yeah, you will achieve it. All right. So Power 3, I hope you found this reading useful. Okay, you know how what we do around here, what go on around here. All right, if the messages resonated, yep, take it. You know, it could even whether it resonated in regards to a love life, a career, work, yeah, take it. But if the messages didn't resonate, you don't have to take them. You know, you can go about your work, go along your way, and take the messages that resonated. But to the collective who chose Power 3, I hope you use the messages that resonated, you know, for your own guidance, for your own intuition. And just keep tuning in, because we're all about self-love, self-growth, self-development. Yeah, so like and subscribe to the content. Click on the notification bell so you're always up to date on the next video. And I'll see you on the next one. All right. And walk one. Stay blessed. All right. Bye for now.